Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the camera and storage so capturing motion works reliably. Open the camera app and choose photo mode. You need the live capture feature accessible there. Make sure you have at least 500 MB free because live photos save extra frames. Once done, tap to focus and adjust exposure so highlights and shadows are stable. This reduces blur during the short motion clip. You'll be ready to grab moving moments without hunting settings mid-shot. You now enable and use live photo capture to record motion. Go into camera settings or the on-screen menu and locate the motion or live photo toggle. Turn it on and confirm the live icon appears. Position your subject with a little extra space for motion because live keeps frames before and after the shutter. Hold the phone steady or use a short stabilizing breath, then press the shutter. This records a short clip around the moment, giving you a dynamic still rather than a single frozen frame. You finish by reviewing and optionally editing the live photo to get the best frame. Open the gallery, long press the image to preview motion, and use Edit to trim the motion segment or extract a sharp frame. This lets you save a clean still or a short clip. If the photo didn't record motion, make sure motion was enabled and storage wasn't full. If problems persist, toggle live off and on, force close the camera app, or reboot the phone to clear temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.